Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel Build for Construction. So I hope you all are doing good. So in this today lecture we will be discussing about dormer, how you can create a dormer over the main house roof, and what is the purpose of giving dormers. And before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, I will request to subscribe and check out this playlist for the Revit tutorial. Mainly I customize this playlist for the civil engineers and the architecture students. So in the description you will find the link for this complete playlist sections. Okay, so if you haven't watched previous of any existing video, you can go and check out. So this series will be in continuity and you will understand the full basic concept for the Revit architecture. Okay, so first of all we will be discussing about dormers. So as you can see here in this image, we are having a house. Okay, so as you can see here, we are having a ground floor. Those windows and doors are available, and upside we are also having some spaces. So let's say for the dormer, if you required any more headroom height here for this particular space, if you require any more headroom height, so you can create dormers will be helpful for you to provide more headroom for this particular space. Okay, second the use of dormer is for the ventilation. If you need the ventilation for the lower areas or for the same levels, you can provide the dormers also for the ventilation purpose. So for both purpose, if you want to increase the headroom or for the ventilation or for the good air circulation for attics, you can use those dormers for any of your buildings. Okay, so how to create such dormers in the Revit for the project requirement? So simply, let's say we are having this 4 wall and we are having a roof here. Let me attach those walls up to the roof. Okay, attach top base, I'm selecting the roof and it will be attached. Okay, now we will be creating this side. I'm deleting a wall, so we will be seeing the dormer section view from here, so it will be better to understand the concept of dormer. Okay, let's say to create a dormer, first, same as you can see in the image, we need to create an extra roof over the same existing roof. So as you can see here, then we will be creating the walls, then we can place either windows, or if you want an opening here, you can mark an opening here simply. So first we will be clicking this roof over the same roof, existing roof. So simply I'm going here, top, then again architectural tab here, then going to roof. Here I have to select a roof by footprint. Okay, I'm selecting the level. This entire building's walls and floors are on the ground floor. I need the roof over this first floor, so I'm selecting here first floor. Yes, then I am selecting here rectangle draw toolbar to create a roof over this one. I don't need slopes right now. For example, if I click here, okay, I have to adjust the elevation here. We're moving. Okay, edit this footprint. Okay, so right now you can see this roof, we are having slope in all 4 direction, east, west, north and south, but I don't need slopes in this direction, south and north. As you can see in the image also, we are having slope in the 2 direction only, one this direction, one this direction. Okay, so I am removing the slope from here. Again, go edit footprint, removing the slope from the front and back, uncheck define slope. Okay, let me extend this one up to here. Finish. So I have created one roof over an existing roof of a building. Now as you can see here, we are having one issue. Okay, both two roofs are intersecting with each other. So first of all, we need to join both the roofs. So for this one, there is a feature. If you go to modify toolbar, here you will find a tool which mention join or unjoin roof. So as you can see in the sample video also, it will connect the dormers. Okay, it will connect the roof as a dormer. So for that one, simply I have to click on this tool. I have to select the edge. Okay, listen carefully here. This step most of the students gets wrong here. We have to select an edge of that our newly created roof which we want to connect with the existing roof. So here I'm selecting this edge. Then I have to select the roof face. Okay, to which I need to connect this one. I am selecting this. As you can see, a blue boundary is there, selecting the face. Done. Okay, so here like this you can join the roof and you can again click here and you can make it again on join. Okay, again, so here we have created a roof over our existing roof to create a dormer further. Now again, what we have to do, our next step, we have to create a wall for this building. Okay, we have to create wall here, wall here, wall in the front here. So for that one, now I am creating a wall. These all steps are very simple. I'm trying to explain you how you can create the dormer in very simple way. Again, going to architecture, selecting the wall, any type of wall you need, 150 mm or whatever size as per your requirement, you can select from here. Right now I am going with this one. Okay, I am creating wall here. I'm selecting a rectangle again from here to here. Okay, done. Done. Again, realistic view. I have created a wall. Right now the walls are at below level, so I'm simply selecting the tab. Okay, then attach top base to this roof. It will attached. Okay, now again this side, this wall we don't require, because this side the opening will be clear and there will be no wall requirement, so I am deleting this wall. Okay, we are having three sides wall only, one front and here left, right and front side. Okay, now we have to attach those walls as per this roof requirement. So again we will be selecting all three walls by tab. Okay, now here you can see one feature is available there. Here you can see, again you will be selecting those three. Okay, here attach top base. When you are clicking again on the attach top base, one feature is available there, attach wall top you want to attach or base you want to attach. In the previous we have attached the top of this wall with the dormer roof. Now we want the base of these walls to attach with the main roof. So here I am clicking on the base. Walls I have already selected. Now I am selecting here the face of this roof. So as you can see here, now the base of those walls are attached with the roof. So here how you can create a dormer shape, okay, as per your project requirement. So now we have to make opening here, so a dormer opening. That opening is called as a dormer opening. So how you can create this? For that one we have to go to again architecture. You will be finding here opening option, then here dormer opening option. So for creating a dormer opening, it will be asking you to select the internal edges of these walls. For let's say, let me turn it to wireframe. So we have to select the internal edges of this wall, this portion, then this roof, these two lines we have to select. So this feature will create an opening here, so directly air circulation or the ventilation or the headroom will be available for the purpose. Okay, that's why we are creating dormer here. So we need this opening below directly here for the ventilation or for the headroom, whatever. Okay, so right now to create a dormer opening you have to work in the wireframe mode. So I am selecting the wireframe mode, so I can select these inner edges of the wall. First of all, if you click on the dormer, first we have to select that roof in which we needs to cut that opening. Okay, first step here, don't forget, here also in the below you can see select a roof to be cut by dormer. So first of all we have to select that roof. So I need this roof in which dormer opening will be there as per this geometry. So first of all I am selecting this roof. First step selected. Now I have to pick roof or wall edges through which I will be generating a geometry, and the geometry will be used as a cutting opening. Okay, so I'm selecting the inner edges of this wall, then again this wall. So as you can see from here also we are selecting those inner edges. Okay, so I'm selecting these inner edges, this one here, this one. Okay, so now if you click it, okay, first we have to join those as a complete portion. Okay, so roof edges we have selected. Now clicking it okay. So now if you go to realistic view or the shaded view, you can see one opening will be there. That's all we want. So the air circulation from this opening or from this window at the top will be there. We are having a good headroom height there. We are having a proper ventilation below floors. Okay, so that's how you can create the dormer. Now if you want to add a window or if you want to create an opening, how you can create this? Okay, so to create an opening you can simply select this wall, you can edit profile. Okay, and you can simply, like, if you want a circle here, you can draw a circle geometry, let's say, click ok. So a opening will be there. If you don't want an opening there, if you want to create a window, you can simply go again here to window. You can choose the window as per your requirement and you can place a window here as per your requirement. Okay, if you want to give a fascia, you can go here. Okay, again in the wall you are having an in the roof you are having an option to give fascia. So you will be selecting here fascia. You can select the edges and those decorative fascia will be there as per your requirement. Whatever material you want you can change. So like this you can create a dormer for any of your project as per your client requirement. So this is a simple step in which we learned that how you can create a dormer like such as per your project requirement. Then you can add fascia as per your requirement. You can give paint, color, or design. These are the little things that you can play with that. So if this video helpful for you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.